MSFS is one of the sim game that keeps getting better with mods, thanks to the growing community. Today, I will be showing you the best free add-ons for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020, which will definitely make your simming more enjoyable. Let's begin. First is the FlyByWire A330NX. This add-on is one of the most popular mods, the A32NX. It's a free high-fidelity A320 Neo aircraft which is actively being developed. The aircraft is infinite times better than the default A320 Neo. It has electronic flight bag, in simple words that's a tablet, their custom made FMS flight management system, custom sounds, correct interior cockpit lights, many switches working, and many more features which you will only understand when you fly. If you were still flying the default A320 Neo, please get this A32NX ASAP. You are really missing a lot. To download this, go to the website and download the installer, run it, and you can install the latest updated versions and also update it. There will be 3 variants. I recommend stable for new users. Once you get experience, you can use developmental version as it gets updated regularly. The team is also working on a high fidelity A380 project, and that will be going to be a major release soon. Second is the MSFS add-ons linker. MSFS add-ons linker is a tool that allows you to only keep the add-ons or mods that you need during a flight. So this means you can enable the custom scenery or the aircraft with just one click. This allows for you to have a more cleaner community folder and not load all the things which you do not have to need during a flight. So what you have to do is move all your sceneries and all the community folder items into a different folder, then open this app, set directory to your custom community folder and the default original community folder if it has not picked it up automatically. Now all your custom sceneries and liveries will be in your custom folder, community folder, and your original community folder will be empty except for aircrafts like FlyByWire A320 Neo, PMDG 737, and no other mess of all the sceneries, liveries. And when you want to do a flight, you just have to enable only the 2 sceneries and 1 livery. So as soon as you click on the checkbox, that item from the custom community folder will be activated and a sim link will be created to the original community folder. So this way your community folder will be cleaner, MSFS will load faster, and overall experience will be smoother, as MSFS will no longer have to handle all these things which you do not even need. This is especially useful for users or flyers who are facing crashing issues due to having a lot of add-ons in their community folder. Third is the FSLTL live traffic. FSLTL live traffic injector gives you a more immersive experience at airports globally. It has live IFR and VFR traffic based on Flight Radar 24, parked aircraft based on historic real data for full airports. So if you are bored with empty airports and flying alone, this is a must. The fourth one is the FSLTL aircraft models. Now you got the live traffic, but what about the live traffic liveries and model matching? FSLTL aircraft model is a free model matching solution for its live traffic and VATSIM online ATC networks. If you download this, you will see the actual liveries of the planes that are arriving, departing, or on the ground. Fifth one is the A330 Neo by Headwind. This add-on A330 Neo is based on FlyByWire A32NX and is a really good A330 available at the moment for free. It's good for mid-long routes and it's a completely flyable plane. Sixth is the Volanta. This software allows you to track your flights, view major minor airports, record landing rate, view flights on networks like VATSIM, IVAO, active ATC on such networks, share screenshots, view Simbrief Panel, and many more. The most liked feature of this app is taxiway markings on airports. 7 is the SimToolkit Pro. SimToolkit Pro is just like Volanta but with more features like charts, detailed landing report, all airlines route, runway slope details, and many other runway details. For those who do not have charts, it's a really useful information. You can also search for the exact fleet by just the registration number, and then you will get the correct aircraft with its image as well. In Volanta, you will not get any of these images or fleet information. On the number 8, we have Simbrief Panel. The Simbrief Panel is a very recent launch. This is a custom toolbar which gets added to the top menu on your MSFS screen, where you have the VFR map, active, pause, weather, and other tools. Using this tool, you will be able to see all the flight plans or its information in a tab like weather tab or GSX tab, which you have seen. So all the information is available, the flight plan information is available on the same screen as your Microsoft Flight Simulator, so you do not have to switch windows. Now this is really useful for aircrafts which do not have EFB yet, like PMDG 737, the Salty 747, and any other aircraft which does not have EFB right now. Really useful, and it saves you from switching windows, especially for single screen users. So do download the Simbrief Panel and view your flight plan in a window within the Microsoft Flight Simulator. Number 9, we have Pushback Toolbar, a menu that allows you to do precise manual pushback and automatic pre-plan pushback. Not only pushback, but you can also call ground services. This is the most popular freeware pushback toolbar for Microsoft Flight Simulator, and really useful for accurate pushbacks, especially on the VATSIM networks where you have to be precise on the pushback. You cannot push back at any direction if there is an ATC. The final at position 10 is the Salty 747, Queen of the Skies. If you are really eager to fly a 747, at the moment there is nothing. PMDG development is, I think, very far, but Salty Simulations has got you. It's much better than the default Boeing 747. Salty 747 has Simbrief integration. It's flyable. The VNAV, LNAV is working perfectly fine. ILS, everything is working great, and this is a must-have 747. I recommend downloading the developmental version as the stable is very old, so the developmental version has more feature. So for long haul, you have got 747 at the moment. That is good. I do not recommend even starting the default Boeing 747. That's really bad. So these were the best top 10 add-ons for Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. Do let me know your thoughts regarding these mods and add-ons, and also let me know if you are already using any one of these, or the one which you have discovered new or heard for the first time and you are planning to download that ASAP. In case I have missed any popular mod or any unpopular hidden mod and you know about it, do let me and others also know about that add-on or mod in the comment section below, and it will be really useful. So guys, that was it for today's video on Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020 best mods or add-ons. If you liked it, click on that like button, share with your Flight Simulator community groups, and also subscribe the channel for more such amazing videos on Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020.